The Collision Mitigation Braking System, CMBS, is part of Honda Sensing, our intelligent suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies. CMBS applies brakes when an unavoidable collision is determined. CMBS uses a front wide-view camera mounted at the top of the windshield and a front-facing radar sensor located behind the Honda emblem to monitor the roadway ahead when the vehicle reaches 5 km per hour. The system activates in varying conditions, including if the speed difference between your vehicle and another vehicle, pedestrian or moving bicycle, is about 5 km per hour or more with a chance of collision. If your vehicle's speed is about 30 km per hour or less, and there is a chance of a frontal collision with a detected oncoming vehicle when you turn left at an intersection. If your vehicle speed is about 100 km per hour or less, and the system determines there is a chance of a collision with a stationary or oncoming vehicle, a pedestrian or moving bicycle detected in front of you. Activation will be cancelled when your vehicle stops or the system determines there is no longer the potential for a collision. The system may also be cancelled when the driver operates the steering wheel, the brake, or the accelerator to avoid a collision. CMBS will provide visual and audible alerts of a possible collision and stops the alerts if a collision is avoided. You can adjust when the alerts begin. First, make sure the vehicle is parked and the power on. On models equipped with the 7-inch color touchscreen, press the Home button on the left of the steering wheel, roll the selector wheel to select Settings in the instrument cluster, and press in. Select Driver Assist System Setup. Select Forward Collision Warning Distance. Then select your choice from among Long, when your vehicle is still farther from the obstacle, Normal, the default setting, or Short, when you're closer to the obstacle, and push in. On models equipped with the 9-inch color touchscreen, press the Home button on the touchscreen. Select Vehicle Settings. Select Driver Assist System Setup. Select Forward Collision Warning Distance. Then choose between Long, Normal, and Short. CMBS is on by default, but can be temporarily disabled if desired. While parked with the power on, press the Home button on the steering wheel and select the Safety Support readout using the left selector wheel. Roll the left or right selector wheel on the steering wheel until the CMBS symbol is highlighted in the instrument cluster and press in. A check mark next to the CMBS symbol will go off, and the symbol will change from green to gray to signal that the system is off. CMBS will remain off until you turn it back on using this procedure or until you restart the engine. For more details on this feature, see your owner's manual. And to learn more about other features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.